this week. First, the prior week, which was a profit-taking week, where around 0.5% kind of a correction was seen in our market. So was the case with the global market. Geopolitical tension between US, Syria, Afghanistan, North Korea has been doing the rounds, and that has been keeping the global market tentative. All the equity markets were already trading at all-time highs, so profit-taking was expected, and now everyone kicks in for the earnings season. So that also, recommends some part of our money to be taken off the table, and that is what we have been witnessing in the market even today morning. What we think is this geopolitical issues will keep on coming and going. This news flow won't be impacting much, though you can see some trading activity in bullions and some shift into safe havens like gold, silver for the timing. That may happen on the money flow as far as that is concerned. The other aspect which we noticed was FIIs taking some money off the table. The week gone by saw around 2,500 crores of selling by the FIs into the cash market segment in our market. At the same time, on the derivatives front, they have been unwinding the longs in the index futures and creating, buying a few longs into the put options as a hedge against their prior, cash market longs. So they have turned a bit cautious on the Indian market. And 9200, 9250 remains a critical level on Nifty to be breached on a closing basis. So last 2 weeks we have seen market trading above 9200 on Nifty, but that did not sustain, and eventually selling pressure took the market below 9200 on the Nifty levels. Valuations are rich, around 18.2 times 1 year forward PE multiple is where Nifty is trading, and there is hardly any scope of error from here on. We were bit negative on the IT space, and Infosys has reported a dismal set of numbers. Their guidance was again lowered to 6.5% constant currency growth on a year's perspective. So this lowering of guidance, no visibility of revenue uptake, and at the same time it's trading at 13-14 times 1 year forward PE multiple makes it again a case for some profit taking coming to the play. So IT space will remain under pressure. This week we have TCS announcing their earnings, and let's see whether there is some balancing act out there. Other than that, private sector banks will come in a big way. IndusInd Bank, Yes Bank, HDFC Bank would be reporting their numbers, and that would be observed very closely by the market. Some balancing of the floor can be seen if they report a steady set of numbers. But at the same time, let's not forget, they all are heated up. The stocks are trading at all-time highs. So even on the good earnings, there would be some profit-taking activity coming to the play. Net, on an overall basis, we think rallies will be shouldered into the market, a range-bound kind of a market where the range is big. On Nifty, if you talk about 8950, 9000 would be the support zone for the Nifty. On the upside, 9250, 9300 would be the resistance point. Between this, the trading activity will keep on happening. Even if the earnings are good, you will see some profit taking happening into the play. But then again, the investment buying will come, and you will get the drift going forward. So my recommendation would be, be stock specific, watch out earnings, closely. And if you are a trader, trade, with strict stop losses and, targets in place. Expect a volatile session for at least a couple of weeks before, earnings are played out in a major way, and we have some visibility on the monsoons. That's it. Thank you.